Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a previous video I configured up to SSH and voice over IP, the basic configuration of router and the voice over IP setting. Today inshallah we shall continue with the configuration of switches. Let us open our topology. This is the topology of yesterday, so I shall continue from here with only the changes that I have connected some interfaces over here from FS06 to FS09 here, FS06 to FS09 here. What is the reason? Because see, the input is gigabit, input gigabit, input gigabit. So we have most of the incoming traffic in gigabit and our outgoing traffic that will pass from this switch to the router. If we are using only one port, it will be a bottleneck. Majority of the communication will be taking place from here. Therefore, in order to manage the traffic and increase, we shall implement the ether channel over here. So bismillah, let us start from the basic configuration of the core switch. Okay friends, I shall perform the setting from command line, but you know there is another way also to configure a switch from the command line with setup command. I shall open the terminal. Okay, I shall just enter one command, setup. Fine. This wizard will guide you step by step. First of all, it asks you configure dialog box. Yes, sure. Should we continue or no? We say yes. Would you like to enter basic management setup? Yes. The second thing, what is the host name? We say this is test machine. What is the enable secret? We say it is Systech. And if it says enable password, we say Cisco. And virtual terminal password, we shall say class. SNMP you want to manage? No. Now do you want to configure the management network? Yes. For example, I can copy this interface. Okay, if you are not going to copy the interface and you are just writing FA024, what does it say? So simple way is to copy and paste. Configure IP address? Yes. What IP address you want to give? I say 192.168.1.1. okay. Subnet mask, okay, 255. okay. Would you like to enable a cluster command on this switch? No. 0. Go to the iOS command, return back to the setup and save this session. Okay, we shall say nothing. Khalas. If you want to see the setting, sh running configurations. So you have seen that majority of the basic settings it has performed. Fine. Let us try one thing. Has it enabled the telnet? Okay, let us try telnet and we say 192.168.1.1. no. So we are going to close all of these things and I am going to delete this switch as well. Finish. What I shall do, I shall perform all these basic settings from the command line. I told you yesterday, before starting the configuration, plan properly. Plan the IP addresses, plan the host name, passwords, and also the interfaces, ether channels, and so many things. And also take care of different type of interfaces. Okay. Now see, host name. If you want to configure the host name, let me do it from command line. Later on I shall enter copy paste. Okay. So this is our core switch and we are going to configuration mode. The first thing we want to configure the host name. See, you are typing host and press tab. Simply press the question mark. It says enter some word. We say it is our router. Its name is HQ core headquarter core router. Done. The second things, now you are going to, so for example I am going to type line console. Okay, it's completing everything. If you want to know what is the possible next command here, see, this is 0. It means only 0 is possible. Now you are in console 0. You want to know what are the available commands over here. Press question mark key on your keyboard. These are the possible commands. Okay, so we shall now configure our system. I am going to exit. Okay, from here we shall start from here. We shall not enable Telnet. If you want to enable Telnet, first of all you should create an access list. Okay, you can give any name. This is standard access list, and all the IP addresses you want to allow you should copy. For example, if you want to allow 14, 15, and maybe you want to allow okay, in our case 15 is not possible. I say 13 and 10. So enter all of these IPs over here, and then you will have to configure transport input. Okay, Telnet, but we shall not configure this one. Anyhow, we are going to enable the secret password, and this is class. Definitely I shall forget it after some time. Now we are going to create banner Motd. Okay, this is basically the flag. Okay, within these things the message Motd message of the day starts from here and ends here. So let us start the command banner Motd like this, banner Motd. Fine, and let me copy from here to here. What will happen if I am going to put the $sign? Let us try. Copy and paste here. So the flag can be anything, whatsoever you like, it is good. Okay, now we are going to configure the interface VLAN. So this will be our, okay, what will be the IP address of core switch? Let us go to the document. Core, this is 99.2. fine. We are going to enter the password, replace the X with 2. We know this is the subnet mask, and halas. Copy this one and paste. Everything is correct. Generate the RSA key, crypto key, generate. Okay, put question mark, what is possibility? So RSA is the possibility. Enter. So accept the default value generated, and then okay, it's enough. Okay, now I shall configure line by line. Line VTY virtual terminal 02. Okay, what is the last value? 15. You want more? Okay, 15. Okay, 15. Now we say transport input SSH. I think there is a mistake. Transport, there is no input SSH, and then login. What is the next one? Local password checking. Okay, and then password see here, what is this? What is the meaning of 7? Okay, so we are going to put 7 and then we say it is Systech. Invalid encrypted. You will have to encrypt the password. Okay, we will use simple password. Systech, exit, create a username. We shall say it is Systech, and password, it is also Systech. Finish. Now we are going to Ctrl Z and WR. Fine. We are going to create Ether channel. We shall implement auto. Okay, auto goes for the PAGP. On one side you will write auto and other side you will write desirable. Fine. So let me check how many interfaces and what are the names. See guys, FA06 to FA09 on both sides. So we shall go to configuration mode. Now we shall enter the command interface range. FA06 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 interfaces. Anyhow, you can give 8 interfaces as well. First of all, we shall make it. By the way, it will be trunk automatically if we configure the trunk on the other side. Switch port mode trunk. Okay, now no need to do one by one. See, trunk allowed VLAN all and switch port voice VLAN 60 to enable the communication over the voice VLAN, and channel group 1 auto. Let me check channel group. Okay, 1 auto, mode auto. Fine. So guys, better to go it was auto here. We shall forget so many things. Copy it from here. First here make desirable. Fine. Copy this code and go to the other switch, this switch. Okay, go to command line, enable conf t and then enter the command. Finish. So many times we forget the things. No changes. Just to test these settings, let us test our phones. Because we already had configured them, let us check they are working or not. Right now it's working. Let me turn it off. Okay, unplug the cable, plug it in again. Do the same thing with the other phone. Okay, plug in again, plug out, and plug in again. If they are getting IP address, it means the settings are okay. Fine, our Ether channel is working. So here we implemented PAGP. Okay, on this switch our configuration is complete. On this switch only Ether channel is configured. Now here FS04, check the IP address of server. Desktop IP configuration, okay, 51.242. and where is 51.242 IP address? We shall put in the same VLAN 242. We need a bit change. It is not 242, it is 225, 226, not 225. Okay, so that's good to check your settings. Go to the server again and change the IP address. It is with subnet mask 240. Okay, fine. Open the server, change the IP address. This is the IP address. Okay, this is also going to change. Verify everything. Okay, 240, and router is 225. And the same gateway, we are going to use the same DNS server. Fine. IPv6, we are not going to do anything. Save it. Alas. So this is VLAN 50. Go to FS04 and add it into VLAN 50. We shall add it. We are doing it right now. Interface FA04 switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 50. Actually we haven't created still VLANs. Okay, fine. It created the VLAN. Actually I was not going to create this one. Now we are going to create the VTP here. So guys, let us prepare for the second switch. We shall not play with the ports, we shall perform the basic configurations, and for the basic configuration we need only the IP address of the distribution layer switch. It is 172.16.99.3. okay, everything is okay, fine. Where is the IP address? Okay, it is 3. So banner Motd, okay, it was better to configure the VTP also. Fine. So I am going to first configure the VTP on the server. This was important. Enable class, inshallah done. Okay, conf t. Okay, we shall enter VTP, and if you want to know the commands here, first of all we shall give the VTP domain. Domain is systech.com, and thereafter VTP mode, it is server, and then VTP password, it is password Systech. Fine. So there are 3 commands. One is we shall copy them exactly from here. At the end go, no more ether channels. Here was VTP mode, VTP domain Systech, and then VTP mode, this is client, and then VTP password, copy it without any mistake. Now we shall create all the VLANs on the server, and it will be copied to the clients automatically. Save the configuration, close this one, copy this full configuration now. Okay, copy, come here, and we have copied the conf t also. Fine, done. And now go to the file again. I already have explained the SSH, therefore no need to do it again. Finish. This is also gone. Control Z, WR. Now go to the business switch, change the name here, HQ business, the first switch. Fine. So this is business. Fine, everything we shall keep same, just need the password. What is the password for business? For business the password is 4. Fine, everything is okay. Copy from the top, copy, go to the business switch, conf t is already there, done. And now copy the rest of the commands. First of all, what is last command over here? Okay, IP domain name, IP domain name. Fine. Okay, copy this one, paste here. Now come here. Fine. So write this one, finish, close. Now go to Infotech. For Infotech the IP address is 5. Infotech IP is 5, and then we shall go here, change the name, copy everything, paste. Okay, now for the remaining, generate the key, RSA key, paste, finish. And no need for worrying about the other things, these things are already tested. Copy, paste. Fine. Now go to the next switch. The next switch is engineering 6. Okay, change the name, engineering, and the IP address is 6. Finish everything. Paste here, done. Now the remaining is so guys, now generate the key, Done. And now the rest of the commands. No ether channel here. Finish. Now the last switch is remaining. Okay, and the name of the switch is Infotech. Copy this name and come here, change the name, Control V, change the IP 7. Okay, copy the things, enable and just paste, generate the key, paste it, and then the last thing, class. Okay, now exit and WR. Fine. Now we shall generate the we shall create the VLANs. VLAN 10, name business. Then VLAN 20, name Infotech. Then VLAN 30, name engineering. Then VLAN 40 and name is medical. Then VLAN 50 and name is tech team. And then VLAN is 60, name is VoIP. Then VLAN 99, we haven't created. Okay, here we shall do this one, management. VLAN 99 and name is management. Copy this one and just you need to create the VLANs on server switch, VTP server switch. Okay, conf t, paste, invalid input detected, name. Sorry, we entered the commands on a wrong switch. Check the VTP status, sh VTP status. So this is client, who is server, maybe we made mistake here, sh VTP status. So this is server, we made mistake here. We shall, that's not a good idea. Conf t, okay, VTP mode, we shall make it transparent. Fine. Now check the VTP status. Okay, disabled. Fine. Now we shall make it server. Now VTP Why the command hasn't run? We made mistake there. VTP, we shall make it server from the beginning. It's already there, it is already there, and here was the problem. Be this one. Barabar. Now let us open the VLAN command, copy it here, okay, and paste. Done. Now Control Z, WR and SH VLAN brief. Okay, see, these are our VLANs, but right now we haven't given any port other than the VLAN 99. We have given FA024 and tech team, this is for FA04, so we shall take care of the FA04. By the way, on this server we are not going to do anything. On this switch, not the server, we shall check. Now we are going to make the trunks. Already our trunk is here, we made yesterday. Now we shall make this port trunk G01. G01 interface G01 G01 switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed VLAN all. We know we don't need any voice over IP communication over here, so no need for this command. Exit. Fine. Now go to this one again, G01. So better thing is write it here also and copy paste. Interface G01 switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed VLAN all, and no shutdown also. Copy. This was the switch. Paste. Invalid. What is interface switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed VLAN all. Come here, now conf t interface G01 switch port mode trunk and switch port trunk allowed VLAN all. So guys, done this one. Now let us check what's going on. Check the VLANs. SH VLAN brief. Show okay, done. And here also do SH VLAN. Okay, here show VLAN brief. Barabar. Okay, this is already done. Now this is medical switch, business, and we shall assign all the ports to the VLAN, business VLAN. Okay, this is 10. We shall keep it here, business. Okay, now conf t interface range FA 0 1 to 24, not 24, 23. Switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10. Now go to Infotech. For Infotech, what we did, ports Infotech 3 to 23. Everyone was 3 to 23. What we shall do with port number 1 to 3, I don't remember it. Anyhow, we can manage it after some time also. Okay, now go to Infotech switch and exit. Interface range FA0 3 to 23. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN Infotech is 20 here. Done. Control Z. Okay, now go to the next switch. This is engineering. Next switch is engineering. For engineering, what are the port status? Engineering 3 to 15 for engineering, 16 23. Okay, we shall do here. Configure from terminal. Interface range FA0 3 to 15. Switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN of engineering. What is engineering VLAN? What is engineering VLAN? Here 30. Now interface range. From here you can give interface range FA0 what 16 to 23. Now switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN medical. For medical, what is the number? 40. Fine. And the last switch is remaining 3 to 18, 19 to 23. Tech team. Fine. This is the last switch. Conf T. Fine. This is G01 already trunk. Okay. Now tech team 3 to tech team. Okay. We already handled the voice 19 to 23. Actually it is not 19, it is 21 to 23. So it will go to 20. Tech team. Infotech switch. This is the switch. Okay, no problem. Conf T. Interface range FA0 3 to 20. Switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN tech team. 50. Finish. Control Z, WR. So guys, let us check what is the status of our core switch. Over the mouse over, okay, fine. We need the trunk. Okay, trunks are already there. 6, 7, 8, 9. Fine. Now over the mouse over here. So VLAN 50. Okay, only one. 50 and 99 is here, and the IP address is also here, 99.3. These should be okay. We shall do properly. sh VLAN brief. Check your ports. Business. Okay. And Browser. And no need to go here. Everything is okay. Thank you viewers. Thanks for watching such a long video. I hope you already have implemented it. I shall be very thankful if you subscribe to channel, share it and like it. Thank you so much.